today let's start with chapter number 8, common insects. In this chapter we will study about some insects. What are insects and what are its features? Because you have seen very many animals on the earth. They are known as insects. Some flies and some do not flies. What they do, they crawl everywhere. Now they can be found in soil, in water, on plants or on animals or in the air. And they are rightly known as creeping crawlies or insects. What they are known as? Creeping crawlies or insects. Where they are found? On soil, in water, on plants or animals or on the air. Now insects have some special body features. Before this chapter, I have told you about birds and its body features. In this chapter, I will tell you about insects and its body features. This is the insect. These are the compound eyes. And what are these? These are antennae. And this is head. Ye iska thorax. This is second leg. This is first leg. What are these? These are wings. और इसको क्या बोला जाता है? Tibia. And this is foot. And this is third leg. ठीक है? It has 3 legs and 1 is foot. Now, let's study about it. What they have? Insects have 6 legs. They have soft boneless body. Their body is divided into 3 parts. Head, thorax and abdomen. ये soft boneless bodies होती है उनकी और जो इनकी body है वो 3 parts में divide है. Head, thorax and abdomen. Right? They have 2 fillers जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Antennas. 2 antennas होते हैं ये fillers जिन्हें हम कहते हैं. Many insects have 2 pair of wings and can fly. Like housefly, butterfly and mosquito. These are the insects that can fly. Some insects do not have wings, they do not fly. What they do, they crawl. Like your ants. आपने देखिए ना वो crawl करते हैं. कभी देखा आपने वो रन नहीं वो crawl करते हैं वो वॉल में भी चढ़ता है तो वो crawl करता है. And termites. Insects lay egg. Most of the insects have special features in their mouth to help them to obtain their food. For example, butterfly, mosquito have tube-like mouth to suck nectar and इनके tube-like mouth होते हैं जिससे what they do they suck nectar and blood. Insects hide in hooks and corners in crack of walls, holes and in trees trunk and protect themselves from enemies. और अपने आप को किससे protect करते हैं? Enemies से protect करते हैं. Now social insects. There are some social insects like there are insects who live together in a large group in colonies. एक large group में रहते हैं colonies में. They are called social insects like your honeybees, ants, wasps. What are these? Termites. What are these? These are social insects. The bees colonies had thousands of members. There is a perfect division of labor. Every member has a well-defined role to play. और हर एक member का एक well-defined role होता है, play करता है जो. Honeybees build their beehives in which they collect nectar to make honey. Queen bee whose only work is to lay egg. और the rest work होता है other bees का वो क्या करते हैं? Food collect करते हैं, उनके babies को देखते हैं और build and defend the colony. और build भी करता है और defend भी करते हैं. Bees do not sting unless they are threatened. The sting of honeybee. जो stink है honeybees के, they are quite painful. It causes redness. And many a time आप देखते भी होंगे कि आपको swelling हो जाती है, सूज जाता है वहाँ पे redness हो जाता है. What the study of insect is known as, that is entomology. Like people who study entomology, उनको क्या कहा जाता है? जो ant की study करते हैं, insect की study करते हैं, they are known as entomologists. Ants also live in a big colonies called anthill. Ants work very hard to feed the young one and store food for the winter. Where do ants live? They live in a colony. सब anthill कहते हैं कि ये अपने baby को protect करती है, उनके लिए क्या करते हैं? Food collect करती है और store करती है. Workers ants collect food for the other ants in the colony and they have been found incapable of carrying weight 10 times more than their. जितना उनका weight होता है उससे ज़्यादा weight वो carry करती हैं और जिससे वो करते हैं अपने कॉलोनी के लिए चीजों को इकट्ठा करते हैं. Next is wasps. is also called social insect which eat wood. What it eat? It wood. They make paper like hive by using saliva and wood. The bite of webs is called white fly. ये भी एक सोशल इंसेक्ट होता है, ये वुड को खाते हैं. ठीक है, इनका भी जो काटा हुआ होता है वो बहुत ज्यादा क्या होगा, पेनफुल होता है, बहुत पेन होता है. नेक्स्ट इज हार्मफुल इंसेक्ट्स. There are many harmful insects that are the carriers of disease. What they do, they give us disease like dengue, malaria, typhoid. What are these? These are the diseases that are caused by insect. Some insects are carrier of disease like houseflies and mosquito. Houseflies feed on garbage, waste food and human waste. They pick up the germs on their legs and transfer them to food on which they see. What happens? There are some insects like housefly. What they do, they go and sit on the garbage. And after coming from there, they sit on the food or anything what you can see. ठीक है, ये अनकवर्ड फूड पैक में बैठ जाते हैं, उसको क्या कर देती है, खराब कर देते हैं, स्पॉइल कर देते हैं, जम्स लेके आ जाती है और उसको कहाँ ट्रांसफर करते हैं, फूड में. ईच इन सच इन्फेक्शियस फूड कॉजेज डायरिया, डेनेस्ट्री, कॉलेरा. ये कुछ क्या है आपके डिजीज है दैट आर कॉज ड्यू टू इंसेक्ट. मॉस्किटो बाइट स्प्रेड डिजीज लाइक मलेरिया एंड डेंगू. मॉस्किटो जो बाइट करता है उससे आपको क्या हो जाता है, मलेरिया और डेंगू. सिल्वर फिश एंड टर्माइट्स डैमेज बुक्स एंड वुड्स. व्हाट दे डू, दे एंड दे कैन डिस्ट्रॉय वुडन फर्नीचर. देखो हमारे जो घर में वुडन फर्नीचर होता है, कहते हैं ना दीमक लग जाते हैं, टर्माइट्स होते हैं. ठीक है, घर के फर्नीचर को, आपके डोर को, विंडो को, सबको खराब कर देते हैं. बाइट ऑफ हग्स वेब्स फ्लीज कॉजिंग इचिंग. रेडनेस हो जाती है स्किन पे और स्वेलिंग हो जाती है. लोटस ईट फुली ग्रोन क्रॉप स्टैंडिंग इन द फील्ड अनडैमेज्ड. लोटस क्या करता है, ठीक है, जो प्लांट होता है मतलब फील्ड में जो क्रॉप लगेगा उसको डैमेज कर देता है. दिस इज बग बाइट. लीस बाइट होती है ना, जू हो जाते लोगों के सर में, और वैक्स बाइट. Now useful insects. There are many useful insects that help us and they provide us anything like silkworm. We get honey from honeybee which is used for several things. We get silk from silkworm. Butterfly, bumblebee and some other insect help in the process of pollination. ये क्या करते हैं, ट्रांसफर करते हैं pollen grains का from one plant to another. Pollen grains help plants to produce seeds. और pollen grains plants को help करते हैं क्या produce करने में, seed produce करने. जो फीट है हाउस फ्लाइज के वो 10 मिलियन मोर सेंसिटिव हैं किससे, ह्यूमन टास्क. नेक्स्ट इज अदर टिनी एनिमल्स. देयर आर डिफरेंट टिनी एनिमल्स. यू सी स्पाइडर, earthworm. These are some tiny animals. There are many tiny animals like spider. They are neither insects nor worms. They have 6 legs but spider have 8. देखो इंसेक्ट्स के जो लेग्स होते हैं वो 6 होते हैं, लेकिन अगर हम बात करें स्पाइडर के, इट हैज 8 legs. Neither it is a insect or nor a worm. They spin web using liquid produced by their body. They eat the insect which get trapped in the webs. ये कहते हैं इंसेक्ट्स को खाते हैं जिनके वेब में ट्रैप्ड होते हैं. Worms are long creatures with tube-like bodies and no bones. They have flat head and segmented body. जो उनको हेल्प करती है मूवमेंट में. They cannot fly, creep, crawl or wiggle. ना तो ये फ्लाई कर सकते, ना क्रीप कर सकते, ना क्रॉल कर सकते और ना ही विगल कर सकते. Earthworms, centipedes and millipedes, they are common worms. They are 52 to 100 legs and they feed on dead and decaying plant. वे किस पे feed करते हैं, dead and decaying plant parts. Now chapter has been complete. Let's revise. In this chapter I have told you about insects. Insects have 6 legs. They do not fly, they crawl or they fly. They fly and some insects crawl on the ground. They crawl करते हैं. There are some social insect that lives in colony, and there are some harmful insects like which causes disease to us like malaria, typhoid, dengue, and some insects are very useful to us like honeybee. They gives us honey. Silkworm gives us silk. So some insects are harmful and some insects are useful. Now let's start with the exercise of the chapter. Pick the correct option. This insect causes malaria. Housefly, mosquito या फिर dragonfly. Housefly. It is a social insect. Honeybee, butterfly, mosquito. Butterfly. It is not a worm. Earthworm, centipede, yes, scorpion. That is that. An insect have two fillers called antenna, termites या butterfly antenna. Who builds beehive? कौन build करता है beehive? Honey bee. Now give two example of each. First is verb. That is useful insects. Honeybee and silkworm. What are these? These are some useful insects. Next is disease caused by the mosquito. Mosquito, malaria, and dengue. Disease caused by eating food infected by flies. Dentistry and typhoid. Now fill in the blanks. Insects have two fillers. उन two fillers को क्या कहा जाता है? Antenna. Insects have soft bodies without dash. They have 6 legs. Some insects like butterfly and mosquito do not. They can only fly. Insects like cockroach, wasps, and housefly can dash and dash. Most of the insects have dash feathers. Dash are called social insecta. Ants live in big colonies called क्या कहा जाता है? Ant hill. Now write T for true and F for false statement. Insects have two fillers. दो fillers होते हैं, it's true. Next is insects have 3 pair of wings. False, 2 pair. Mosquito have tube to suck blood. It's true. Ant is a social insect. It's true. The sting of honeybee is not painful. It's true. It's not pain. Next is match the following question. Spider. Have 6 legs. Earthworm, common worm, honeybee, honey-retard termites, damage books and furniture, malaria, mosquito. Right? These are the match the following. Now, next is answer the following question. First is describe the body of an insect. आपको इंसेक्ट की बॉडी आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. सबने आपको बताया तो उसकी कंपाउंड आई दिखाई दी. फर्स्ट पेयर ऑफ लेग, सेकंड, थर्ड पेयर. ठीक है, इसकी कहाँ पे नेक होती है, सब आप शो कर सकते हो और आपको एक्सप्लेन करना. वाई शुड वी कीप आवर फूड आइटम्स कवर्ड? दैट जो इंसेक्ट्स हैं वो आपके फूड को क्या ना करे, हार्म ना. Name any 2 useful insects with their uses. Like honeybee, it gives us honey, and silkworm, it gives us silk. व्हाट आर वर्म्स, गिव एग्जांपल. ठीक है, आपको एग्जांपल दे लाइक अर्थवर्म, सेंटिपिड. व्हिच इंसेक्ट हेल्प इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ पॉलिनेशन. ठीक है, कौन सा इंसेक्ट है जो आपको पॉलिनेशन में हेल्प करता है, यू हैव टू टेल. हाउस फ्लाई. Now, our chapter has been completed. Hope you've understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.